Until you realize that YouTube is a marketing platform, it will be very difficult for you to make money on YouTube. Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can create income on YouTube even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, which is basically the threshold that you need to meet in order to qualify for the YouTube AdSense program. So if you're someone out there who's been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or perhaps you are already on YouTube right now, but you're not able to make money from the YouTube AdSense program yet, then here's a very easy way to make money on YouTube even when you have less than 1,000 subscribers. Okay, now one very interesting thing that I hear people say is, I can't make money on YouTube because I don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 views, and things of that nature. Here's the thing about YouTube, guys. Until you realize that YouTube is a marketing platform, it will be very difficult for you to make money on YouTube. Here's what's happening. So many people are starting YouTube channels for the wrong reasons. And this is the reason why they're not getting any results in their business, right? People think, okay, YouTube is all about just creating a bunch of videos and then making money from the YouTube AdSense program. That's just a secondary part of the YouTube platform. YouTube is actually a platform that was created to offer value, to keep people entertained, to keep people engaged within the platform, okay? And then the YouTube AdSense is just an extra bonus for compensating the creators, of course, who are in fact creating consistent content within the platform. Now, here's the thing about YouTube, guys. And when I started my YouTube channel in 2017, I was able to start making money before my channel even got monetized. My channel never got monetized until around 2018, about a year or so later. That's when I was able to start making money from the YouTube AdSense program. And here's the thing about the YouTube AdSense check, guys. It's not that much, okay? Especially if you're like a small platform just getting started. The AdSense income is not that much, okay? So my first AdSense income was less than $100, guys, and this was based on like thousands of views that I got on my channel. So if you're sitting there just relying on the YouTube AdSense income alone, it's going to be very difficult for you to take your business to a point where you can quit your job and do this thing full time. And YouTube is time consuming, guys. Creating content, editing content, doing the research and putting out the content consistently, it's not easy, right? It can be very easy for people to start a YouTube channel and easily get discouraged because you're not getting the views. It's taking time for your channel to get monetized and things of that nature. But here's a very easy way you can get started, guys, and start making money on YouTube before your channel even gets monetized, okay? So before we get started, let's talk about mindset, guys. When starting a YouTube channel, I want you guys to stop thinking about making money on YouTube from the YouTube AdSense program alone. I want you guys to first of all take away the YouTube AdSense program out of your mind. Let's take it out of your mind, okay? tell yourself, guys, I'm not on YouTube solely to make money from the YouTube AdSense program. Repeat after me. I am not on YouTube solely to make money from the YouTube AdSense program, okay? Like I said, first of all, it's very small. It's not going to pay your bills anytime soon, okay? And it's going to take you a lot of views, a lot of effort, a lot of consistency to make full-time income on YouTube that actually allows you to survive, right, without a job, okay? The YouTube AdSense program should be a reward for your efforts. It shouldn't be the only way that you're planning on making money on YouTube. So how can you make money on YouTube even with a very small following and with a channel that isn't even monetized yet? So in order to get started, guys, you need to think about the niche. So you have to find a topic. Don't be out here just creating random get ready with me videos. No one's gonna watch your get ready with me video if no one subscribes to your channel, if nobody knows who the heck you are, right? So you need to start off by picking a niche, and you have to go with a topic that people are actually searching for on the internet. You're not going to get people going on Google searching get ready with me, but what you're going to get people searching for is how to start an online business, how to lose 10 pounds in 2 weeks, how to achieve flawless skin in 7 days, how to get rid of eczema. So think about the type of questions that people are searching for on the internet, right? And then think about which of those things you're passionate about. So if you're passionate about skincare, then you want to start creating skincare content based off of what people are searching for on the internet, okay? If you're passionate about e-commerce, start creating content around what people are searching for around e-commerce, how to start an online business, how to market, how to get sales, how to create a side hustle, make money from home. These are all content ideas that you can now create within your niche, okay? If you're into travel, how to travel on a budget, how to travel with your kids, tips on, saving money whilst traveling and things of that nature. So you want to start with a topic, because when you have a topic, it becomes very easy for you to be known as an authority in your niche. So a lot of you guys are watching my videos because you know I'm all about e-commerce, passive income, and making money online. So if you want that type of content, this is where you're going to find it, right? So think about what you're passionate about. right? And then start thinking about how you can create content around what people are searching for. And here's what you can do, guys. You can use platforms like Also Ask, guys, to see what questions people are searching for around travel. That's a hack for you guys. Also answer the public. That's going to give you some ideas in terms of what type of questions people are already asking for around your niche. So head over to this website, guys, type in your niche, beauty, skincare, and do a search, and you'll start getting some content ideas that you can use on your YouTube channel. Okay, like this is powerful stuff, guys. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you're looking for an even easier way to launch your online business in 7 days or less, yes, that's right, in 7 days from today, my team and I can actually build your online business for you. And this online business comes preloaded with profitable products, digital products, physical products, affiliate products that you can start selling right away and generating passive income, guys. We have so many different niches available, from beauty and skincare, women's clothing, kids clothing, hair, travel, weight loss, so many different niches that you can choose from, guys. And we actually get to build your online business for you, preloaded with profitable products that you can start selling right away and generating income on the internet. You also gain access to our weekly marketing training. So every single week you are going to gain access to a marketing strategy that can help you generate a ton of customers and leads to your business, so you can actually make sales and money. Okay, this is an all-in-one online business system, guys. We build an online business for you. Simply pick a niche of your choice. We get things set up for you guys, and then you also gain access to the marketing strategies to help you get customers and sales. Okay, so if you guys are interested, check the link in the description below this video, or head over to www.funnelpirates.com to activate your online business in 7 days. Okay, now on that note, let's get back to the video. Now, once you've figured out what type of content to create, the next thing you want to do is you want to find affiliate companies that sell products, okay, around your niche. So you can use platforms like clickbank.com. You can sign up for free, and then you can promote products that are related to beauty products. So every time you create a piece of content, you know how to achieve flawless skin in 20 days. If you're looking for the best, skincare product, check out the link in my bio. Now you can send them to your ClickBank products. You can even register with the Amazon affiliate program, guys, and that also allows you to promote literally every product being sold on Amazon right now. Okay, and you can get started for free, right? And then every time you create a piece of content, you can recommend people to the Amazon products that you're trying to promote, or you can even create review videos just reviewing those products, guys. People are out there on the internet searching for reviews on different products that they're trying to buy. So creating a review video means that not only are you getting views to your channel, right, you're also getting people clicking on your affiliate links to go check out the products and make you money. So it's a win-win, guys. You're making money from just recommending those products, but now you're also building your views, you're building your subscriber count to the point where you can now actually get monetized for the YouTube AdSense program, right? And then that just becomes a bonus. Okay, so here's how I did it, guys. I started by promoting affiliate products on YouTube. Okay, I started with affiliate marketing, because here's the thing about YouTube. People who watch your videos, there's people who watch your videos that are not even registered on YouTube, but they're still able to watch your videos, right? Now, if you've ever tried to access the YouTube platform from an external browser, where you weren't actually logged in, it doesn't actually allow you to like or subscribe or even engage under that video unless you have a YouTube account registered. So you actually have to sign in to like, to comment, and engage and subscribe to someone's channel, right? This is why you see a lot of videos with like hundreds of thousands of views, but the creator only has a few hundred subscribers, right? Because a lot of those people that are watching these videos are probably not even logged into the YouTube app or logged into the YouTube website. So although they're able to watch the videos, they're not able to subscribe to your channel. They're not able to, leave comments and things of that nature, which means that it can be very difficult for you to achieve your 1,000 subscribers, right? If you're getting the views but you're not getting enough subscribers, which also means that your channel is probably not going to get monetized, which is kind of annoying, because it's like, well, I've got thousands of views, but why do I only have 100 subscribers, right? It's because some people watching your videos are not even logged into the platform. And here's why it's very important to use the YouTube platform as a marketing platform, okay? Use your YouTube channel as a marketing platform. That way, when your channel eventually gets monetized, it's just going to be an additional bonus. So when I started, I was making a killing in my businesses, my affiliate products that I was promoting before my YouTube channel even got monetized. I was getting people watching my videos, clicking on the link in the description and checking out the affiliate products and the offers that I was recommending within my videos. So although I was getting the views, right, right? Most of those people were not even on the YouTube app, so I wasn't really getting the subscribers, but yet I was still getting sales, right, to my affiliate products and my courses and things of that nature. So I really want you guys to look at this YouTube thing as, you know, a way to build your brand, a way to reach out to your target audience, a way to build yourself as an authority, and a way to get customers and sales to your business. Because when you start offering people value, right, your content is going to be seen by more and more people who are looking for that piece of content on the internet. Go find what people are looking for, guys. Questions that people are asking for on the internet. Start creating content. Find a niche you're passionate about, guys. Start creating content based on the questions that people are searching for on the internet, and then find an affiliate program that you can join and start promoting products that are relevant to your niche. And that's how you're able to start making money on YouTube, guys, without having 1,000 followers or 4,000 views. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.